What is up, beautiful people? Hold on. What's up, beautiful people? So I am rocking my nice camera today with a bigger lens, so if things look a little bit different, then that's why. Got a lot of stuff going on today. There's a lot of things that I still need to get done. Need to get done my tie rod ends down here for this wheel because it's wobbly. Finish the brakes. I need to get some more brake fluid. Got some shit on the top of my car. I had a friend and subscriber, good buddy of mine, James, sent me some pistons. Those are in here, so I haven't opened those yet. I wanted to open those on camera, so huge shout out to you, dude. Much appreciated. We're almost to 700 subscribers, so huge shout out to every single one of you. It's much appreciated. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna get cracking on stuff and we can get going. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna pull it back into the garage and go take a shower. I am covered. Alrighty y'all, so that's about it. I'm gonna go inside and grab myself a shower. I am covered in dust. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of nasty. Yeah, then get this thing painted and finish fixing the leak and stuff like that. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out, Cub Scouts.